In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Steam API key in just 5 minutes. Now, an API key is essential if you're looking to integrate Steam's platform into your applications or want to access certain data directly from their servers. It's a simple, straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open up your Steam application. If it's not readily available, you can launch it from your desktop if you have the shortcut, or find it through your Start menu if you're using a Windows PC. Once you have the Steam app open, your immediate task is to proceed to the login screen. This can be done quickly by heading over to the upper right corner of the app where you'll find the login button. Now you're going to enter your account name and password. Make sure you have these details at the ready as they're crucial for accessing your account. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so enter it carefully to avoid any login errors. After inputting your login credentials, go ahead and click on the sign in button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. You might see some of your recent activity or suggested games here, but don't get distracted. Your next step is simple. Navigate over to the community tab at the top of the page, click on it. This will take you to the community section of Steam, which features discussion boards, community made content, and more. Now this is where it gets slightly technical. In the URL bar, add dev via API key right after store.steampowered.com/community and then press enter. This will direct you to a particular page dedicated to generating an API key. Once there, Steam will present you with a series of prompts or requirements that you need to complete. These are necessary for the generation of your API key and could range from providing a domain name to agreeing to terms of service, depending on your personal usage needs. Go through these prompts carefully and fill them out with accurate information. After you've followed all the prompts successfully, Steam will then generate your unique API key. Keep this key secure and private as it's tied to your personal Steam account and your applications. Remember, your API key is a sensitive piece of information, so it should be handled with the utmost care to prevent unauthorized access or misuse. And just like that, you've obtained your Steam API key in a matter of minutes. This key will now enable you to access Steam's services programmatically and enhance your development projects with the platform's rich API. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out the support resources on Steam's website.